IVR, or interactive voice response, is a technology that allows callers to interact with a phone system using voice commands or keypad inputs, providing a seamless customer experience. To activate IVR on Calilio, first, log in with your registered email address. Next, navigate to the Settings menu and select My Number. Choose the number you want to activate IVR for. Look for the Call Strategy option and toggle it on. Now, click on IVR. You can add IVR messages in two ways. Upload a recorded audio file or type your message, and Calilio will read it out for you. You can set IVR messages for 3 conditions: when the call starts, after an incorrect option is selected, or when the call is unanswered. Next, assign a member to an extension by entering a number, like 1, and selecting the member. If the call goes unanswered, choose to either forward the call to voicemail or dismiss it. And that's it. You've successfully activated IVR on Calilio. Note, you need to have more than one member to use IVR in Calilio. Calilio, the modern business phone system